I'm Don Fergandy.
And I'm Geraldo Vivira.
We're bringing you today's breaking news.
According to our meteorologist, flash flood warnings reported in eastern Washington.
Specifically, within a 10-mile radius of Grandview Church of the Nazarene.
Now to Frederick Weatherton with the report.
I'm Frederick Weatherton, and it appears to be raining right here.
Frederick, other side! Other side!
No, I'm pretty sure this is North America. Back to you.
Thanks, Frederick. This is simply shocking news.
Now to Harry on scene, reporting from on the scene.
Thanks, guys. Here at the Grandview Church of the Nazarene, where there have been reports of flash floods. Now, it doesn't look like there's been any rain, but... Oh! Flash floods! Flash floods!
What? Really?
We are receiving new information from correspondents on the scene.
It appears these flash floods have been caused by human actions.
On the screen is a picture of the only suspect.
We don't know his real name, but we know he goes by Scarpenter.
We believe he works for a fun group called Water Games Instigators.
If you know this man, please call 1-800-TOO-MANY-NUMBERS.
Once again, I'm Don Fergandy,
And I'm Harold Bavira.
bringing you today's breaking news.